Hello?
Say hi. Say hi, Daddy. Yeah, you want to? Okay, we're gonna get it. So today we're going to be making our homemade hot cocoa. This is our very own recipe that we've perfected over the years. And we make it almost every single time that it's a weekend or it's really cold during the winter. We hope you enjoy our recipe and please like and subscribe. Okay, so here you have your ingredients: whole milk, cocoa powder, sugar, chocolate chips, vanilla, and a Hershey bar. I don't really care too much about name brand things. You do want to make sure you have pure vanilla, and the Hershey bar is important. Then the whole milk. And Everly's helping me pour in our chocolate chips. That is 1 cup of chocolate chips, and you stir this a lot. You don't want the chocolate to burn. I've got the heat on the stove about medium. It depends on your stove if you need to turn it up a little bit, but you want to continuously stir that for a little bit and give it a few seconds to melt. And then keep stirring until you see that that chocolate's gotten really good and melted in there. Then we add in the sugar. That's a 1/2 cup of sugar. Stir that all into the chocolate really well and let it dissolve. And then I normally eyeball it, but for the purposes for you all, I did 5 cups of the whole milk. And I turned up my heat to high. Added in my teaspoon of vanilla. 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. And that's going to be kind of powdery for a while, but I promise it will dissolve as you keep letting it go. You see my silly kids moving around. Keep stirring it. Keep that on high, but you want to stay right on top of it because if it starts to boil, it won't be good anymore and you'll have a huge mess all over your oven. There's our hot cocoa. Cheers.
Sure.
Good stuff.
Sure.
What do you think, bub? Hot cocoa? Is it good? Is that cocoa good? Say I love you.
I